Good morning.
I got a package from TEMU
And it is art supplies. And today I'm going to unwrap it.
I remember one thing that I get, but I think I ordered more than one thing. Okay, so let's see what we have here.
Yes, these are my everyday journal. They are, let's see whether I can open this
To show you.
Okay, so it's like a zigzag. I use it, it's for 2 weeks, every day for 2 weeks. So there is 8 pages on one side.
And then 6 pages on the back. Got 3 of them, so I, what is it, for a month and a half.
It's good. And then what else did I get? Oh, that's right!
Travel brushes. Comes in
A nice little etui. Oh, yes. So these
brushes, you kind of unscrew them. You get the brush and screw them back in, so you can travel with them without the top being bent. It saves the tips, and I really wanted it for a long time. But I got 3 different sizes. 3 different sizes.
And I think the reason why I made this whole order was the micron inks. So I have 0.3 and 0.5.
But now I got a 0.1 and a 0.3 because I use the 3 a lot, and then a fat one, just, you know, in case I need a fat one. Okay, so this is my first time trying to you know, to do a little bit of a video about my unpacking of art supplies. Have a creative day.